Hey fellow hikers, if you're hitting the trails, you've probably noticed more and more people using trekking poles, but why are they so popular? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use trekking poles and why they can make a huge difference in your hiking experience. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a newbie on the trails, stick around to learn some expert tips that will elevate your trekking game. First up, why even use trekking poles? Trekking poles can improve your stability, reduce strain on your joints, and help you maintain balance on tricky terrain. They're also great for endurance, spreading out the physical workload so your legs don't get fatigued as quickly. For those long hikes, they can make all the difference. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors, adjusting the height of your poles. Ideally, when you hold the pole, your elbow should form a 90-degree angle. If the poles are too long or too short, you'll lose efficiency and comfort. Most trekking poles have adjustable lengths, so take a few moments to dial in that perfect height before you head out. Next is mastering the grip and using the wrist straps. Your grip should be firm but relaxed. Don't choke up on the handle, and don't overlook the wrist straps. They're designed to take some of the pressure off your hands and wrists. Slide your hand up through the strap, then grip the pole. This allows you to use less energy, making it easier on your hands over longer distances. When you're hiking uphill, shorter pole lengths are key. You'll want to plant the poles close to your body to propel yourself upward. On the downhill, extend the poles and plant them ahead of you to help control your descent and protect your knees from extra strain. It's all about adapting the poles to the terrain. Now that you know how to use them, it's time to get your own trekking poles and hit the trails. I've linked a selection of high-quality trekking poles in the description, so be sure to check that out. Whether you're looking for something lightweight, durable, or budget-friendly, my shop has what you need for your next adventure. That's it for today's guide on using trekking poles. Remember, they're a simple tool that can really transform your hiking experience, giving you better stability, reducing strain, and helping you go the distance. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hiking tips and outdoor gear advice. Happy trails, everyone!